Changing your business category in Wix Payments is essential for ensuring that your payment processing aligns with your business type. Follow these steps to update your category effectively. Step 1. Log into your Wix account. Start by logging into your Wix account using your credentials. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your website and business settings. Step 2. Access Wix Payment settings. Once in the dashboard, locate the settings option on the left-hand side. Click on it, then find and select Wix Payments to access your payment settings. Step 3. Edit business information. In the Wix Payments section, look for the option to edit your business information. Click on the Edit button next to your current business category to make changes. Step 4. Select New Business Category. A drop-down menu will appear with various business categories. Browse through the list and select the category that best fits your business. Ensure that it accurately reflects your services or products. Step 5. Save changes. After selecting the new category, make sure to save your changes. Look for a Save or Update button at the bottom of the page and click it to confirm your new business category. Once you have completed these steps, your business category in Wix Payments will be updated. Regularly review your settings to ensure they remain accurate as your business evolves.